Hey guys, so today we're doing a photo shoot in studio, but the weather was so nice out here that we decided to come outside and shoot something. It is in the dead middle of winter, and if you guys know, February, even into March, it's freezing out here, but it just so happens to look really good. People are out just walking around with hoodies and sweaters. We decided to come out to the park, do some shots at a handball court and by a swing. Here with Hannah. Shout out to Hannah, she's back there, but you're gonna see some close-ups and some amazing pictures. We're gonna do a few shots. Just wanna show you guys how I can get some amazing shots here outside on location with one light and even no light. So we're gonna play with some of the shadows and contrasting colors in the area. So take a look. So now we're here at the swing set on the other side of the handball court, and we're gonna take some shots, but I do notice that she is missing some light. So what I'm gonna do this time, I'm gonna add one light source. I ended up using the AD200 in high-speed sync, and it came out beautiful. We were able to get some amazing shots here just with one light source, and the camera that we were using is the 5D Mark IV with an 85mm lens, and we were using the AD200 that does high-speed sync, so we were able to go above the sync speed on the shutter, which was pretty cool because we were able to keep the backdrop nice and bright so that it kind of matched. It didn't look too artificial. I ended up editing in Lightroom and Photoshop, so if you guys want to check out some of those edits, I'm gonna have a link down below that I'm gonna do in a future video so you guys could check that out. If you see this video posted within the first few days, I might not have that link up right away, but I'll do my best to update it as soon as I do. What are you guys doing back there? All right, well, it looks like the shoot is done. We're gonna head out of here, so see you guys in the next one. Any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Got some good shots, you guys.